We have question 7 here. The question says, triangle PQS forms a certain area of a park. R is a point on PS and QR divides the area of the park into two triangles parts as shown below. For a first event, PQ equal to PR equal to X units, RS equal to 3X over 2 units, and RQ equal to square root of 3X units. Now 7.1 says calculates the size of angle P. So the question is 7.1 is here. So we need to calculate the angle, the size of the angle P, that angle. Okay. Well, now that we have like two sides equal, we have X is given there, and another side is given. We need to find the angle. We can, in this case, find use the cos rule. We can write here cos. Let's first write 7.1. So we need the angle P. Okay, we can use the cos over here. Cos rule. The cos rule says that A squared equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC times cos of the angle A. Now it is important to consider these letters A and the lowercase a and uppercase A. So use this formula if the sides A is opposite the angle uppercase A. Now in this situation, our A will be the side opposite the angle P. So it's going to be the side RQ. So we have then RQ squared will be equal to PR squared plus PQ squared minus 2PR times PQ times cos of P. Okay, then RQ is given is square root of 3x, so square root of 3x to the power of 2. Can now substitute the values. So it's like so this is square root of 3x all to the power of 2. Okay, equal to PR squared plus PQ squared minus 2 PR PQ cos of P. Now you are set in the value of PR is X and PQ is X to the power of 2. Okay, and then times X PR and then PQ is also X. So we can solve this. This will be 3x squared equal to x squared plus x squared minus 2x squared, because x times x makes x squared, cos of the angle P. Now we can move, okay, the x squared over, so that makes minus, okay, because these this x squared and x squared make the x squared and x squared makes 2x squared. So if I move them over, that makes 2x squared equal to negative 2x squared cos of the angle P. Then this will make what? X squared equal to negative 2x squared cos of P. Now we can divide both sides by negative 2x squared. And then over here we have left with a half, and this is equal to cos negative a half, cos P negative half. So now, to what is the value of the angle for which cos of that angle equal to a half? We're going to do that by the help of the calculator. So now calculator, I'm going to write, I'm going to press the shift button and then press cos, and then write over here negative 1 over 2, okay? And this equal to 120. So this means that the angle P is equal to 120 degrees. So this is 120 degrees. Now, the following question is 7.2. The question says, hence calculate the area of triangle QRS in terms of x in its simplest form. Okay, I'm gonna move my board over here. 7.2. So we're looking for the area of the triangle QRS. Now, for sake of illustration, I prefer to paste the same diagram over here. Let's sit over here. Let me just move my board over here, and then okay, here's the diagram. Now, the angle P, okay, is given by we did find this is like 120 degrees, 120 degrees. So now we want the area of the triangle formed by QRS. So this triangle QRS. So we're looking for the area of this triangle. So because we already know that this angle is equal to 120 degrees, okay? Angle P is 120 degrees, and the fact that we have an isosceles triangle here, by inspection, we can see that these angles are 30 degrees, okay? 30 degrees, 30 degrees. Or someone else can say, okay, let's say the angle is like alpha and alpha. We can say the sum of the angle in the triangle will be 120 plus alpha equal to 180 degrees, okay? The reason is a sum of angles in the triangle. So this will be like 120 plus 2 alpha equal to 180 degrees. If you move the 120 over, 2 alpha equal to 180 degrees minus 120, and then that makes 2 alpha equal to 60 degrees, and then we can divide by 2 both sides, by 2, and then we have like alpha equal to 30 degrees. So now 30 degrees over here and 30 degrees over there, because the triangle is an isosceles. But as we want the area of this triangle here, okay, the reason why I draw that, I work out this value because being angles within the straight line, we can find angle R. So we can say therefore angle R will be equal to 150 degrees because angle on the straight line, okay? The reason is angle on the straight line. Or we can also do sum of the angle, external angle. It can also be external angle, okay? External angle in the triangle. So it can also be that R is equal to 150 degrees. Then, what am I saying? Why I do that? Because the area of the triangle is given by the area of the triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. This is given by a half times base times side times sine, base times height times sine of the angle. So this will be then a half times, let's take times square root of 3x times 3x. Okay, maybe I should write like the base is like 3x over 2. The base is 3x over 2 times square root of 3x, okay, times then sine of the angle. The angle, this angle is 150 degrees times 150 degrees. So we can, this will be 3 over 4, 3 root 3 over 4 x squared, okay, times sine of 50 degrees is we can do that in the calculator. Sine of 150 degrees, okay, this is a half. So this will be times a half. Okay, times a half. So this will be 3 root 3 over 8 x squared. So that's the area. Therefore, the area of the triangle, QRS equal to 3 over 8 root 3 x squared. Thank you.